Artists from all walks of life have recently shared a universal canvas to raise money for education in Johannesburg. Night of 1,000 Drawings started 14 years ago and has since grown into South Africa's biggest one-night-only art exhibition, raising funds for children in need. Here's CGTN's Scheier with the details.
It's South Africa's biggest one-night-only inner-city art exhibition. And it all started when a soup kitchen truck was stolen.
I was working for an organization called Pabalo Yabato, which essentially gives food to homeless people in the inner city. And their bakkie that they used to take the soup got stolen. So we didn't know what to do, and we were close in shutting down the organization. And we came up with the idea of a fundraiser, and that's how the idea of Night of 1,000 Drawings came about.
Artist or not, anybody can donate to the initiative. This year, art contributions came from as far as Japan, Australia and Germany.
We have 3 charities that we're donating everything to. The first charity is one called ELE, which is Everybody Love Everybody. And in a nutshell, we're actually looking after a child's education for a year. The other is a foundation called Lala Inje. They have a community centre at the base of Hillbrow Towers for a whole bunch of kids. And then the third is the original foundation, which is Pabalo Yabato.
From doodles, graffiti, sketches and oil paintings, art lovers were spoilt for choice. And at $10 a piece, contributing towards education felt like the right thing to do.
I love art. It's good because it makes art accessible to everyone, and just to know that whatever paintings I buy here, the funds are going towards a good cause.
We're always looking for good news stories in South Africa, and this is one of them because art really just connects us at the heart, and giving back to the communities, it warms me.
Creativity can be giving back. You don't always have to give your time as in where you being there. You don't have to give your money, you don't have to give your things. Even just doodling on a piece of paper is enough for us to raise money to give back to those in need.
All these drawings behind me are much more than just art. They are part of an empowerment project that changes lives and gives inner city children hope for a better future. Scheier, CGTN, Johannesburg, South Africa.